You can see that all the values are appearing only once. Here also many values are repeated. List with unique values, but it is sorted now. Understand, everybody is having unique mindset. Your programming way will be different than I am doing. We can also use while loop for this. I is lesser than. There are so many elements which are repeated. Let us check the result. Hello everyone, welcome back. In this class we are going to create a program which will remove all the duplicate elements from the list. We will do the programs using both the loops. Let us open Python. Remove duplicate elements from a list. I will accept a list from the user. myl is equal to, we will use eval of input, enter the list. The idea here is we take an empty list, we will check whether the element is not in the new list, then the element will get append to new list. If not in is false, then it is not going to append. So we will be getting a new list which is not having any duplicate values, or we will have unique values only. So NL I give empty list. I will be traversing the my list. For I in myl, I becomes element of a list every time it runs. If I not in NL, NL dot append of I. This is so simple program. Print list with unique values, that is NL. Let us run this program. I give a list 5, 6, 1, 5, 3, 8, 3, 1, 7, 3, 2, 2, 8, 9, 2. See there, many elements are repeated. When we run this, we will get only the list which is having unique values. You can see that all the values are appearing only once. We can easily identify if it is sorted. So we can do sorted of. Now let me give a new list. Here also many values are repeated. Let us check. List with unique values, but it is sorted now. Understand, everybody is having unique mindset. Your programming way will be different than I am doing. We can also use while loop for this. I create a loop variable I which is 0 initially, then I will be using while I is lesser than len of myl. I remove this for loop. So initially I is 0, I will be taking using the index which is I. So myl of I not in NL. I will append myl of I to the new list. Then we have to increase the i's value. It is not inside the condition, it is outside the condition but inside the loop. So I plus equal to 1. Now let us run this program. Three, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 2, 1. There are so many elements which are repeated. Let us check the result. So you could see that 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 which are unique. Hope this was very clear to you. If you are having any doubt regarding any program or you want any new program me to explain, please comment so that I will be doing the program or clarify your doubt. Keep watching my channel, keep practicing and keep learning. Let us meet in the next class. Thank you.